Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my fruit cake recipe. This recipe is tested and trusted and it is good for your wedding. So if you have a wedding job, this recipe is for you. So here are all the ingredients I'll be using for this fruit cake. I have my 1 kg flour, I have my baking soda, I have my orange. I'm going to make use of the orange juice and the orange zest. Then here is my fruit. I've already soaked the fruit. I have a video where I taught how to soak fruit and blend it together. I'm going to leave the link. I have my black charcoal. Here is my browning. Then so here is the flavor I'm going to be using for this recipe. Here is the baking powder. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of baking powder for this fruit cake recipe. So keep watching this video. I'm going to leave the measurement of all the ingredients I'm going to be using for this fruit cake in the description box. Keep watching this video. Here is our fresh egg. I'm using 1 kg egg. Then I also have margarine. I've already creamed this margarine. I have 800 grams of margarine here and 750 grams of sugar. I've already creamed it. Then I'm going to start mixing everything together. If you have a hand mixer or a stand mixer, you can make use of your mixer. But I'm going to be making use of my bowl and my rolling pin so that the work will be easy and fast for us, so that people that don't have mixer can as well mix their cake without having issues. So that's the purpose of this video, teaching you how to make a wedding cake without using a standing mixer or a hand mixer. Please keep watching this video. So right inside here, I have my nutmeg, my cinnamon, and my mixed spice. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon into the cake batter. I've already mixed everything together, so I'm going to be using just 1 tablespoon of the mixture into the batter. So here I have my 10 inches pan. I'm going to be distributing this batter into 3 10 inches pan. So you can distribute it into 2 or you can do 4, but I'm making use of 3 10 inches pan. I'm going to distribute them into 3 10 inches pan and allow it to bake for 40 to 45 minutes. So guys, here we are. Our cake is well baked, properly baked. Make sure you don't bake with high heat. You can see our fruit cake is ready. This is 10 inches pan. I used 3 10 inches pan. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do well to try out this recipe and let me know if you love it. Bye guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.